juggling are similar. Why? Because it's a skill that you can learn with practice. And I'm a juggler, so I'll be juggling and talking about books. So after many, many years and lots of practice with juggling, I became a good juggler. And by practicing reading daily, I became a good reader. And I do try to read every single day. It's not learning to win, it's learning how to fail that makes you a better person. I don't want you to get angry or frustrated and quit reading. Because when you become angry and frustrated, you no longer learn. You can't learn if you're angry or frustrated. So you need to take a break and maybe pick up a book that is easier for you. Here's something you can do at home to help improve your focus and concentration. Get yourself a peacock feather and try to balance your feather. Balancing a feather, great way to improve focus and concentration. So thank you so much for joining me. Read, read, and read. I hope you enjoyed the program.
Thank you so much, Dan. Students, if you guys want to leave comments in the chat, go for it.